What's going on, guys? Welcome to our channel. We are at Cedarville, Ohio in the kitchen. We're just gonna do a cooking vlog today. What are we making, babe?
We are prepping for the week. We have chicken thigh, ground turkey.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna do the rice, but we have rice, quinoa, and if we get hungry on the way of doing this, we'll make some eggs and protein waffles, but we'll see.
You will enjoy our journey. I'm gonna force you. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna force you.
You will.
Yeah, you will. It's gonna be fun. So, what are we gonna start with? What do you want to start with?
I think the protein.
Okay, you
Yeah.
want to cut up the protein? I'll cut up the chicken.
I hope it's cut. Let me see.
I mean, you still have to cut it up.
Yeah, like clean it. Yeah, let's do that.
You want to clean it?
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to clean it?
You clean it.
You want me to wash it?
Yes, you can use this.
Wash it. Wash it. Okay, yeah, you can see me.
This is what happens when you are in a kitchen that's not your own. I cannot find a good knife, so we're gonna use a regular kitchen knife.
Cut it open.
Cut it open and you do it.
Yeah.
Wait, let me get some
Some more.
paper for your
Napkin?
towel.
All right, dudes. All right, dudes and dudettes.
Dudes and do that. Wait, you need to spray some avocado oil.
Let me spray some avocado oil.
You see? Oh. Oh.
Bro. All right.
So fun.
So good, yeah.
That's a protein. Ew. Ew.
Wash the chicken. Oh my god. Guys, she's like a kid. I'm like a kid too. Don't even worry. We're both like kids.
Tell me more. What do you mean?
Don't lose your...
Inner child.
Yeah, that's what a lot of people do.
Embrace it.
We've lost the chicken, step one. I like to cut out the fat though.
Yeah, cut it because you're fat.
Aren't you supposed to be cutting? That's what I thought. But you need a sharper knife.
That's what I'm saying. This is
This is the only. This is the sharpest knife.
Yeah.
A butter knife? There's no way.
They used to have. I don't know. I think people started stealing the things because this was full.
Yeah, people are definitely stealing knives. Yay.
The fat does melt.
Okay. You want to just leave it then?
It's gonna melt.
So you just want to leave it?
I think it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. You hear her accent? Because she's Dominican. That's why you hear her. She's fresh off the boat. They just brought her in yesterday. Wow, that's crazy. It's crazy work. I've been here longer than you in this country.
They save you from the
From where? The what? Where'd they save me from?
for lots of things.
Yeah.
They just leave it there.
Yeah, leave it there. It's okay, I have thick skin. My skin is thick. Alright.
Not your thigh.
Nah, my thighs aren't thick. Her quads are bigger than mine. I'll say it. I'll be the one to say it. My quads are not that big.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's because you're short and stocky. You know?
It's because I work harder than you, my legs. That's why.
This is bullying love, guys. Enough bullying before one of us gets hurt.
That's the lemon pepper.
Is there oil in here? Where's the oil?
Avocado.
You're just gonna spray? That's fine.
Mix it.
Mix it. Mix it.
It's all falling in the same one. You want some salt?
Himalayan pink?
Yeah. Lemon pepper. That's good. That's good. That's good.
That was cayenne pepper.
Salt.
This is garlic. Oh.
I think that's enough. I'm gonna start opening this, and
The ground turkey?
Yeah.
You gotta tell them, babe.
Oh my!
Just run away from the camera.
Guys, I cannot run away from you. This is a ground turkey, and
Yeah.
I'm just gonna start cooking it.
Yeah. Today is Easter Sunday.
Easter Sunday, and we're doing our meal prep for the week before church because
This is not for the week.
It is for for the first 2 days, and then we'll do it again if we need to.
We're baking the chicken?
We're baking the chicken.
Bad boy chicken, you.
How hot should the oven be? I preheated it in 350.
That's fine. 350, 375. We can ask our friend Chat.
Chatty.
When in doubt, go to
Chat.
ChatGPT. You gotta stab the chicken so the season can get inside.
Oh, that's right. Stab the chicken.
You gotta stab the chicken.
Come on, little boy.
Stab the little boy chicken. A little bit of dark humor.
Chicken, chicken. Mm-hmm. You know that song?
No.
No?
I'm not
You're not Dominican?
Yeah, I'm not.
You're black.
Yeah, I am.
You're not
I'm
Dominican.
Dominican. I know black. I know black. Nunca, nunca, nunca. Now after I stab it, the fat's gonna melt. I don't really believe that, but I'll find out. I'm putting my trust in her.
I think it will because when I bake like the salmon,
Yeah.
you see all the fat on top. It kind of melts, and then you
That's
just like.
You like scrape it off. I know what you mean. I
Yeah.
actually know what you mean. Don't try to be sarcastic here.
I'm trying to be sarcastic.
Are you? Are you
No.
not? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Chicken, chicken. Mm-hmm.
Make sure you apologize. Okay, you have to.
Be quick to apologize.
Yeah. Slow. Was it slow to speak?
Slow to speak, quick to listen.
Something like that. Whatever Jesus said.
Time for the ground turkey. Where do you want to put the veggies, babe?
The veggies go in the ground turkey. Flex up, shorty. The ground turkey.
It's here. Wash the quinoa.
You're supposed to go in a bowl. We're gonna mix everything inside one.
Let's get the turkey going.
You're gonna hit me with the spoon. That's how our parents used to beat us.
Sorry. Yeah. You know, in America and African things.
You know,
It's okay. It makes you stronger.
thick skin.
Okay, you turkey. You little turkey. Mm-hmm.
Little turkey. So cute.
Come here.
Come here.
Come here. Come here.
We're cooking its cousin right now.
It's the whole family just ground. Add some garlic powder, cayenne pepper. How do you say that? I don't know. I don't add too much of it. Should I add the lemon?
So you want me to
Yeah.
put the quinoa in here?
When it
Okay.
starts boiling a little bit.
In this small thing.
Yeah. So if we do like, we can do ounces. So if we do 8 ounces of water. 16 ounces of water. We can do.
You don't want to cook the whole
like
quinoa
8.
in one.
Yeah, I think we'll have to use the big one actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Watch out! Watch out!
That's a lot of water, babe.
Okay, we're going to pour some out.
Yes. It's a lot. Like, you think you're cooking for the whole...
I'm cooking for my African village.
That's less. Okay, I think that's good. And, boil a little bit. And if it needs more, we can add more. But if you have too much water first, it's hard to then get the right texture.
Yeah, I hear you.
You hear me?
I hear you. See, guys, I listen. See? Let me zoom into what you're doing.
The quinoa. Do you want me to add the lemon pepper? Yeah? Check the oven. How's it looking?
Let me just flip it.
Now watch me do it.
Huh? Oh, now watch me, nay nay. That's what you're singing?
I should cook you there.
You should cook me? I'm not a chicken. That's like some Chipotle chicken right here. Chipotle chicken. Chipotle chicken.
You weirdo.
Am I weird?
Yeah.
Now watch me hug.
Bully and then a hug.
What's that song? I don't.
I'm playing out. The Korean?
Oh.
Style.
Oh yeah, that's the song.
Was that the one?
Ubam Gangnam style.
And he has like a tie, right, in the video or something.
Yeah, I think he wears a suit the whole time.
Yeah. Crazy. That song is literally so lame. No offense.
It's catchy. It's very catchy. Did you turn this off?
I turned it off. Is it cooked? I just don't want to overcook the meat.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Is it?
Yeah. The vegetables are just enough.
For eating some ground turkey and broccoli. I brought 2 plates. The only thing is, one is nice, the other one's not.
I'll take the ugly plate.
Get some ground turkey. Turkey. Are we just gonna eat it like 2 servings?
Yeah.
Like, we don't have more?
I mean, I'm a man. This is good for you?
Yeah, should we save that?
We can. I think so. You want to save this?
Yeah.
Or just eat it all?
I'm sure we can eat it all. Like, but do you want to?
Do I want to eat it all?
You want to eat it all?
Are
you hungry?
What are we going to say? No, just save it because I'll eat the banana after.
Okay, with peanut butter?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Because you can eat this later if you want.
You can eat it.
No, it's fine.
We can start washing that stuff. Do your dishes where you belong. You belong to me.
This is a woman's job. The women belong in the kitchen. I'm here doing your job. It's crazy work right here.
I was always the helper in the kitchen. And then I will get credit for the meal. And that means that if I help in the cooking, I don't have to do the
clean
dishes.
later. Strategic.
I did dishes my whole life. We're used to it. I'm a woman.
I was always with my mom, so it was like my brothers would be in the room, and I'm there cooking. I'm there cleaning. Like mi madre, mi madre.
That's that expression in Spanish. Ay mi madre. Like, oh my gosh, but ay mi madre.
Adios, Dios. Me escucha, me escucha. Me escucha, escucha.
Mi casa es tu casa. I brought the eggs and all that, but I'm not gonna use it.
Guys, it's a partnership. It's teamwork. The end will be us just like eating. What are you doing over there?
Trying it.
You look like a kid that's stealing the food. You caught me.
Come on, quinoa. Maybe some more salt to the quinoa. Himalayan salt, electrolytes. Guys, you don't have to be scared of salt. Unless it's the bad one. People be eating bland food because they think that they're gonna die if they add some seasoning.
Maybe they just don't know how to season, babe.
Ain't nobody eating that flavorless chicken. Chicken without seasoning gross. It literally tastes like feathers. I cannot stand the taste of chicken. I eat chicken, but it can't taste like chicken. You know what I mean?
You just want some seasoning.
Good job, babe. Good job. Keep cleaning.
This, whatever. This is what I do in my apartments.
I think the chicken looks pretty good. I'm gonna turn it off. You belong to me. Oh.
Okay.
Here we got our meals. You want hot sauce?
Tabasco. Oh, we made it. We made some chicken, which is over there. Now, we're gonna eat the ground turkey with broccoli and quinoa. You see, I have the baby little plate. She has the beautiful looking plate.
The nice ones.
Thank you for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. We appreciate any support. You wanna like it, share it with your friend, with your mom, your dad, your cat, your uncle, your sister, your brother, your lizard, your hamster. It doesn't matter. Appreciate you, and we are out of here.